In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily add payment method on Cursor AI. So firstly, go to Cursor AI and log into your account. So once I've logged into your account here, so once you're here, okay, logged in, so you will get to your dashboard here. So this is what you'll see. So from here, what we're going to do is on your left side menu here, click on billing and invoices. Select billing and invoices. From here, you will get to this screen here. So here, you will see there's a manage subscription option here on your right side. So click on the manage subscription option. So this will open up this page here. So here, all you have to do to add a payment method is simply click on this add payment method option here. So click on it. And once you click on it, and here you will be able to add your payment method. So based on your region, you will have different types of options available, payment options. You can simply select any one of these. Okay, if you're using card, you can select card and then pop in your card details and everything. And once you've added all those things, click on add, and that's it. Your payment method will be added, and that's how you do it.